Hi, welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to plan for the week beginning the 16th to the 22nd of September, and as the 22nd is the first day of autumn, I'm going to be using the Autumn Fox theme from Hubman and Chubgirl. This was actually last year's autumn release, but you can currently get it on their site, and it's one of my favourite autumn themes ever. It's so cute. I've been looking forward to using it since I bought it last year. So I have the 5-pack of vinyls, which has 2 pumpkins together, an autumn fox in a sweater, it's so adorable, a single pumpkin, a little sleeping fox, and a fox holding a pumpkin. And then I'm using the Hobonichi Cousin Kit. So the colours of this theme, as you can see, is orange, purple and brown. Not a combination I would instantly grab for, but it's actually really stunning. I love this little box and this little fox, adorable. So they're the full boxes. And then we have half boxes and quarter boxes and faux glitter washi. And then we have the weekend banner, doodle banners and days of the week. And of course I'll be using my Planner Monkey Co. dates to go along with that. Then I have 2 large sticker sheets. So we have Pumpkin Foxes, which has the orange fox on it. And then Brown Autumn Fox has the wee brown fox, as you can see. And this one has pumpkins, and this one has lots of different coffees and a cinnamon roll and leaves, etc. So very autumnal. And then last but not least, I have the washi that goes with it. So the 15mm faux glitter is called Happy Autumn. And then the smaller 10mm is Autumn Leaves, which is my favourite. And this is an Erin Condren 8x10 Hourly. And I'll be using this Zebra Sarasa Grand. It's 0.5 and it's in sepia black. And this Zig Clean Colour Dot marker, and it's 602 Oatmeal. Can't wait to get started, so let's get the main layout down.
Are turning brown, red and yellow, soon they'll be falling down. Now, I'm not ready, not just yet, I'm not ready. Autumn comes too soon. Autumn comes too soon. The light that flickers will blow away the sight, and all that blossomed will wither away and die. Not now.
Now normally I would use my favourite up here, which would be this one, and this one was my second favourite, but I kind of have a bit of a hoarder mentality when it comes to this one. He's just so perfect, which is silly really. No, I'm still not ready to use him. I like that one too, so let's use this fox holding a pumpkin right here. And then I'll use a doodle banner of pumpkins underneath. And then we need a work banner And our usual Monday to Friday. Oh, Monday to Friday. Oh, I just punched the side of my desk because I'm clever like that. I don't know how people line stickers up without making them really squinty when they don't use tweezers, because I never could. Definitely a tool of the trade I couldn't do without. And speaking of tool of the trade, I've been meaning to do a part 2 for a while to share some new things that I've got to help me with planning and journaling over the years, because I did an initial one, but I have some extra stuff since then. So it's on my list to definitely share that. If there's something that you use all the time and couldn't do without, let me know. It's always fun to share these things with each other. Right, so we have our fox and work, and then down here we need this week. I am starting to feel the itch for my new planners. I'm still enjoying this, don't get me wrong, but I cannot wait until my new planner comes, because I pre-ordered it in, was it June? I think it was June, and I have never seen it in front of me in person, so I just can't wait. I downloaded the free digitals today for my calendars and everything, and just excited. And excited for all the new releases and everything that will be coming out for the 2025 stickers, and exciting stuff. Okay, right, now I'm going to do some full boxes so that I can pick which one's going to go here, and I'll also pick my this week full box as well. So let's get these down.
Myself when I'm stressed and upset. You know me better than anyone I know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how I know this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises.
Now, plans for the week. Simple and few. So, Tesco delivery on Monday at 9 AM. Let's find a label. And I'm going to use this sticker from Teddy Plans Co., the girl holding the grocery bags. And then Tuesday we have leave out bins. And I have a Coffee Monsterz Co. emoji peeking out the side of a bin. And then a bin bag and a recycling bin. That's Coffee Monsterz Co. too. And I'm going to go 3 dots. And then Friday is payday. Hallelujah. Oh, I didn't put my dates down. I'll do that in a second. Right, so Friday is payday. Let's do a orange. Right here. Oh. Yes, my tweezers help me get them straight, but it helps if I actually use the tweezers. Oh dear. Right. That's better. And I have this little money from Coffee Monsterz Co. They come on their monthly kits and I save them. And then I'll be getting my nails done at 12:30. I had to cancel my nail appointment this week because our car is still not fixed and we weren't able to borrow a car. And getting a bus or something, I just couldn't risk it, not getting back on time to work. So they're okay, they're not too bad, but this time next week they'll be really grown out. My nails grow so fast. Anyway, right, so nails are 12.30. I'm gonna put that down here. And then I've got a Fox and Pip purple nail polish bottle. And then I have this, it was cut in two for some reason, but it has this part. It says first day of autumn. And this part, it's a little emoji in a cozy hat with leaves from the event labels to mark it's the first day of autumn. Let me get my dates down and get everything written in, and then I need to organise all my stickers away. I have the standard kit in this because I love the theme. So I'm going to organise it so that I have some to use with this week and some left so I can do the theme again in the future.
Cups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. I know you better than anyone you know. Yeah, I know exactly how you bottle things up inside, but you don't have to be stubborn, so proud. I know you better than anyone you know. Darling, we have been to hell and back. That's how this is forever. All these years, every single tear, all the regrets and promises, all the ups, breakups, bumps in the road, we've been until we break. We keep crashing down, but baby we got up. Yeah, look at us now. After all these years, yours and mine, it's you and I. It's you and I.
And I am all organised again for the week ahead. Absolutely love this theme. Can't wait to use it throughout the week and to see it all completed. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me today. If you missed my fountain pen unboxing, I actually put it up already. It was an extra video last week. In case you missed it, I'll link it below. But until next time, take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye!